paano naman tayo mag-open or mag-close ng trades, no? And then how do we modify them? So, make sure that you go to the chart that you want to trade first, no? So, kanwari, dito tayo sa ibang chart muna. Dito tayo sa Euro CHF. Okay, so we want to trade Euro CHF and maybe let's go to the baguhin natin, Euro USD na lang para mas malikot ngayon. Okay, so Euro USD. All right, so let's go to the lower charts. Ayan, kunwari M15 ng Euro USD. Tanggalin ko na rin muna tong RSI para maluwag-luwag. Okay, so right now, sa tingin nyo, anong gusto nyo gawin? Do you want to buy or do you want to sell Euro USD right now on the M50 charts? But let's say na buy tayo Euro USD. No? So how do we buy Euro USD kung ganito? Click new order first. No? Make sure na doon kayo sa tamang charts. Kunwari, nakabukas Euro USD. No? So click natin new order. And you'll be actually led to an order slip. So dito po sa order slip natin, makikita nyo po na may mga information na kailangan. So, una, tatanungin sa inyo, tama ba yung symbol na tinitrade mo? So, that's Euro USD. Next, anong type of trade ang gusto mong gawin? And dalawa lang naman yan eh. Meron kang market execution, tapos meron kang pending order. No, market execution, and then pending order. So, kung gusto mo ngayon ka na mag-trade, mismo ngayon ka magbabuy or ngayon ka magsisell, then we do market execution. Kung gusto mong may specific price ka na gustong pasukin, then pending order yung gagamitin natin. So for the meantime, we want to buy right now on the spot. No? So click tayo ng market execution. Tapos po, dito, tatanungin sa inyo next, anong volume ang gusto mong i-trade? No? Do you want to trade, for example, one lot? Kung matatanda nyo, gamit tayo ng standard account and you're trading one lot, that would be $10 per pip. Diba? Kung 0.1, that would be $1 per pip. Kung 0.01, 10 cents per pip. So for the meantime, I want to trade $1 per pip muna. So 0.1 lang muna ilalagay natin. Next, tatanungin sa inyo, gusto mo ba maglagay ng stop loss at ng take profit? So this is entirely optional. Okay? But I suggest dapat meron. So sabihin natin, based sa current market na nakikita natin, ang stop loss natin dito banda, no? Diyan sa ilalim. Take profit natin, sabihin natin itong ano na lang, recent, yung taas na lang. No? So if we were going to put a price on that, sabihin natin ito yung stop loss natin, 1.2045 yung ating take profit. Parang masyado yata malapit yung take profit natin. It's too close. So sabihin na lang natin, angat na lang natin so 1.2075 siguro. O baka ako ng konti So nasa mga yan, 75. Okay? So, by the way, I forgot to mention dito sa my right side, sa my price, you can click and drag up or down para to compress or expand your charts. Okay. So, sabihin natin, gusto ko stop loss is 1.2045 and then my take profit is 1.2075. Okay. Ngayon, take note, kailangan meron kang minimum distance doon sa current price mo papunta sa stop loss or sa take profit mo. At least, nasa mga ano dapat yan. Depende kung anong parent tinitrade mo at kung gaano ka volatile yung market. Normally, nasa mga at least 5 to 8 pips yan yung layo. So, siguro mga 10 or more pips is already a safe number. Okay. So, ayan. Medyo malayo naman sa current price. So, now, if you click sell, then this is the price that you will get on the left side. If you click buy, then that is the price on that you will get. No? So in this case, we want to buy. Click tayo ng buy. Yan. And ngayon, open na yung trade natin. So right now, you can actually see that there's a couple of lines there. Tanggalin ko lang yung ano natin yung nilagay nating horizontal line. So ayan. You can now see that we have here buy 0.1 at 2066, no, 1.2066. Tapos meron kang take profit sa taas, tapos meron tayong stop loss dito sa baba. Okay. Tapos, if you go to your toolbox, mapapansin nyo, nandyan yung trade natin. Ayan, no? Meron tayong Euro USD trade, buy tayo ng 0.1. And right now, we have negative 0.80 cents due to the spread. So, gagalaw-galaw pa yan. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. Now, if the market hits your take profit, automatically it will close your trade. On the other side, kung stop loss na may tinamaan, it will automatically close your trade kahit nakasara pa yung laptop mo. Now, what if you want to modify your take profit or stop loss? Sabihin natin, ako masyado yatang malapit yung take profit ko. Gusto ko pa siya ilayo. You can just click and drag on your charts and it will automatically modify it. Tatanungin ka muna niyan, no? Do you want to activate one-click trading? Just say yes, then magagawa mo na siya. So, kunwari, itong stop loss, gusto ko rin i-adjust, inipisan ko pa ng konti. O, ayan. Alright? So, yun yung pag-modify ng stop loss and take profit. Or you can do it manually. Ang gawin nyo, balik kayo dito. No? Hanapin nyo yung trade nyo dito sa toolbox, double-click on it. Tapos, makikita nyo po dyan na pag pumunta kayo sa type of order, imbis na market execution yung gagamitin natin, meron tayong bagong option na available. Modify position. Okay? Pag kinilik nyo yung modify position, pwede nyo palitan dito yung stop loss nyo or yung take profit nyo. So ayan, you can manually change it. Or you can express it in points. So sabihin natin, gusto ko yung stop loss ko nasa mga 25 pips. No? So 250 points yun. If I click modify, then my stop loss would probably move. Ayun, no? So bumaba na siya. Alright? If I want to close the trade right now, sabihin natin, ito, double click natin, no? May makikita po kayo dito na yellow button. If you click on that, it will automatically close your trade at the current price. So kung meron ka negative 60 or 70 cents, kapag kinilik mo yan, pupunta na dun sa magre-reflect na sa balance mo yung yung trade natin. No? So mamaya pag-usapan pa natin yung balance equity, yung mga ganun. Okay. Now, clear pa ba? Bago tayo pumunta dun sa partial close? Okay, trailing stop, sige mamaya. Pag-usapan natin yan. How can I close half the position? Sige, pag-usapan natin yan. Ito ngayon, actually, yun yung topic natin ngayon. Okay, so partial close. So since we've traded 0.1 volume of our position here sa Euro USD, pwede ko ba part lang niya ng isasara ko? Pwede actually. So for example, you currently have 0.1 no, na trade. Kung gusto mo kalahati isasara, gawin mong 0.05 yung volume. Kasi yun yung half of 0.1, di ba? 0.05. So, if you click close now, nakasulat dyan, close yung buy, pero 0.05 lang ang isasara mo. Since we have a little bit of profit here, if we close it now, we closed half of the position. Mapapansin nyo dito, Euro USD, ang natitira na lang 0.05 na lang. And then, yung profit, syempre nabawasan na kasi nag-reflect na dun sa current balance natin yung kinulose natin na profit na yun. So if you go to your history, makikita nyo po, iangat ko If you go to your history, you would notice na may bagong trade na nakalagay dyan. Ayan o. Euro USD, meron tayong buy, 0.05 out of 0.1. Ito yung current price, etc. etc. And then, ito yung current profit na nasara natin. So that's how you do partial close. So pwede nyong pira-pirasohin yun. Kanwari, 0.01 lang, 0.01. Kayo bahala on how much of the volume you want to close. Is that clear? Malinaw pa ba? Okay. So, ngayon naman, paano kung gusto ko maglagay ng pending order? No? Ang pending order po, this is where it gets a little bit complicated. No? Sabihin natin, let's have a fresh chart. Ito, dito tayo sa EuroCAD. Ito, kanwari, di ba meron tayong trade kanina dito sa EuroCAD? Meron tayong $1 and something. If we want to close it now ng buo, simply double click on that and click on the yellow button. Isasara na niya yan. Okay? Or you can simply click the X button beside it. Automatically magko-close na siya. Okay?